She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I'm the one who would dance on the floor and around. She said, I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She told me her name was Billie Jean as she caused a scene. Then heavy hair turned with eyes to dream of being the one who would dance on the floor and around. People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me, be careful who you love and be careful what you do. Could the lie become the truth? Cause I smell a sweet perfume. This happened pretty soon. She called me to her room. Hey,